Today, we're diving into the latest leak about the upcoming iPhone 16 series. Get ready to learn about the A18 and A18 Pro chipsets that will power these new devices. From performance boosts to new features, we've got you covered. For the past 2 years, Apple's Pro iPhones have been equipped with the latest and greatest A-series chips. Last year, we saw the A17 Pro in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, while the standard iPhone 15 got the previous year's A16 chip. But here's the exciting part: this year, we're expecting not one, but 2 new chipsets, the A18 and A18 Pro. These new chips are rumored to bring significant performance enhancements, making them faster than the M1 chip in the MacBook Air and iMac. Yes, you heard that right, the iPhone 16 series might be more powerful than some of Apple's laptops. But what does this mean for you? Well, if you're planning to upgrade to an iPhone 16 model, you can expect faster app loading times, smoother gaming performance, improved overall device responsiveness. And if you're wondering about the difference between the A18 and A18 Pro, we've got some insights. The A18 Pro is expected to have a slightly faster single-core performance, while the multi-core performance is rumored to be on par with the M2 chip. We've got 2 sets of results for the A18 Pro, and when compared to the A17 Pro, the difference is staggering. The multi-core performance of the A18 Pro shows a significant boost, and the single-core performance isn't far behind. But what really caught my attention was the single-core speed of the A18 Pro. With a score of 3,570, it's remarkably close to the M4's score of 3,683. Now, I know what you're thinking: could this be the real deal? I'm inclined to believe it is, especially considering the trend we're seeing here. So, what does this mean for the iPhone 16 series? Well, if these benchmark speeds are accurate, we're looking at a device that's not only faster than its predecessor but also rivaling some of the top laptops on the market. The A18 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer, and I'm excited to see how it performs in real-world tests. The A18 Pro's multi-core performance is a whopping 9,310, making it faster than the standard M1 chip in the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and iMac. That's right, folks, this iPhone chip is outperforming some of Apple's top laptops. And if you thought that was impressive, it's also just behind the M2 chip in terms of multi-core performance. We're talking M2 speeds in an iPhone. That's incredible. But what about the other rumored speed of the A18 Pro? Well, I believe this is actually the A18 chip, not the Pro model. Let's take a closer look. The single-core performance is 2,882, which is slightly higher than the A17 Pro in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So what does this mean? We're seeing a significant performance boost in the A18 chip, and the A18 Pro is taking it to the next level. The A18 Pro's performance is a game-changer. We're seeing laptop-level speeds in a smartphone, and that's a huge deal. Apple is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with their chips, and it's exciting to think about what this means for future devices. Remember how Apple has been using the previous generation's A-series chip in their latest iPhones? For example, the A16 chip powered the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. Now, I believe Apple is rebranding the A17 Pro as the A18, but with a twist. They're likely using the new N3P process instead of the N3E process from TSMC. That's the main difference, and it's resulting in a slight speed boost, as you can see here.